Hi.
Hi.
They all post YouTube. Why?
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
My
How are you
goodness.
guys?
Super tired.
Yeah.
You can't.
Yeah.
I'm really like what? How is your guys' weekend?
Good. It was good. It was fun.
Nice.
What did you do, Kara? Thinking. I did. What did I do? Oh, I got my house clean, which was like the most exciting thing that I've done in a long time because my house was like a total hole for quite a while. So by the end of Saturday night, I was like, oh, feels so good. It's done.
Oh, also, I just realized that we don't have to record.
Are you guys still there?
I'll be able to bring
For
this
an
back.
hour.
Okay.
Like, we don't need to record ourselves taking
Ask her later. Go away.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, yeah, so we don't have to record ourselves for the session. And we just have to have proof that we were together. Like some people been taking Snapchat, some people just do like an hour long
Screenshots, not Snapchat.
Screenshots. Oh my and some people have been just doing 1 minute videos. Like we don't have to do a whole hour, especially with a quiz.
That's nice that there's not an hour of us going like this on YouTube.
Yep, I just watched one of the videos where we were doing that.
We're like, okay, so.
Yeah, so we can just record just like a few minutes and then post that. So people, even if people haven't taken the quiz, so they don't just like take our answers, you know?
Oh, that's a good point. I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, so let's record ourselves for like talking about if you have any questions, and then just do Hangout.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, that does make sense. So to stop recording ourselves, do we just stop broadcasting it, but then the call keeps going? Is that how it works?
Yeah, stop broadcasting it, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, my 17-year-old son, when I just started this today, he goes, so you do realize that all these are on YouTube, right, Mom? He's like, yeah, I saw a few of them posted on YouTube and wanted to make sure you knew they were on there.
I know. I saw. I was doing this the whole time in the video.
Hey, Emily.
Hi.
Hey, guys.
Hello. Anya, have we asked you where you're from yet?
No.
Well, probably everyone knows but me because you guys have classes together, right?
I was born and raised in Russia.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
That's cool.
I was going
didn't know that.
Scandinavian. Like I was thinking Scandinavian country, but I was way off.
Yeah, but I love California. I wish I was living there right now. It is too stinking cold. Even being born in Russia, like, well, isn't it cold over there? It's like, yes, but doesn't mean I like it.
Doesn't mean it's any more pleasant. Yeah, we were freezing today. It was like in the low 60s.
Okay.
Oh, I
That
wish.
was not fair.
I wish.
It was like field trip day. I partially homeschool my kids, and so it was field trip day, and we went to Legoland. I was
Oh.
dying.
That's
I
a
was
nice
so
field
cold.
trip.
I was like, we need to go home now. It's so cold. I think it went. It might have even dipped like a degree below 60 or something after like the worst point.
I can say I feel sorry for you. Every morning we get out there, it freezes inside the car, like inside the windshield. So you have to
Oh,
scrape
Yeah.
inside time.
It's the worst.
yeah, I don't do cold. I'm from Arizona, so like I do Arizona or California or Hawaii. Those are my 3 places I can
Yeah.
go.
I can do Hawaii, but I can do Arizona. It is so freaking hot.
Yeah, well, I'd rather be hot than cold, but
It's true. So, are we recording this?
Yeah, I think so. We've been recording this. Do you guys want to stop recording and just start on the homework now,
Wait, stop recording and then do homework?
or do you want to do with the homework and then stop recording? Okay.
Let's do our homework and then if we have questions and then do menu afterwards.
okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. So did everyone finish the part 1?
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel like this is more confusing.
Well, it
Yeah.
was just like definitions. The whole part 1 was just like definitions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's talking about like what's normal, what's slightly normal, approximately normal.
Yeah.
It just got closed.
Yeah, I mean,
We bring it up. Yeah. Put it on that table.
I don't know. Was there specific stuff that you guys didn't understand, or do you want to just like embark on part 2 and see how we do?
Let's see how we do.
Okay.
Let's just go with part 2.
So did everyone do 5 random incomes and then do the mean?
Yeah.
Of your 5 random
Are you
incomes?
able to get that done,
I haven't
Emily?
yet.
No,
I haven't done it yet.
Okay. Well, you can do that really fast because we have to compare like all of our different ones. So do you have that? You're supposed to pick 5. You know that chart that was on the preparation
Yeah.
of all the incomes? You're just supposed to randomly pick 5 and then figure out the mean of the 5 that you picked.
Yeah, I'm doing the random.org.
Okay.
Did the power go out, Erin? There you are.
Oh yeah, there's better.
Okay. My random numbers are 4, 2, 1, 4, 29, 6, 24. Okay.
So do you have that graph up, or do you want me to tell you the salaries that go with those?
Oh, I have the graph.
Okay.
Thank you. So, all right, thank you. Okay.
All right.
So, Emily, do you have it?
Yeah, we're just supposed to find the mean of
mean.
our 5
Uh-huh.
numbers.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah,
Are
I
you
got it.
all of you done with that?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, I didn't know you were waiting on me. My mean, I got 46,980.
Okay. Mine was 43,420.
83,420.
43,420.
Okay.
Say, what was yours again, Emily? Or Anya? I forgot to write it down.
Yeah, what was yours?
46,980.
Okay.
And then, Carol, you say yours again?
43,420.
Mine was 43,320.
Okay.
And yours, Erin?
And mine was 45,420.
Okay.
Okay.
So then we're supposed to put it on the little the bell graph, the graph.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know, I wasn't sure. It said, does your sample mean appear to be unusual? And as long as it's, I feel like if it was under that bell, it wouldn't be unusual, right?
Yeah, it's normal. Our sample is completely normal, I
Okay.
think, because it's all within the bell.
The bell, yeah. So that means they wouldn't be unusual because it's within the curve.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So compare your mean from question 7A to the means obtained by at least 3 other individuals. What do you notice?
But they are all normal.
Yeah, they're all pretty close.
Yeah.
Okay. Moving on.
That was exciting. Okay. Number 8. Do you want me to read it out loud, or do you want to just do it in your heads to yourselves?
We can do it in our heads.
Okay.
Like we just
Okay.
talked about it, kind of.
So what's the shape of the distribution of the sample means for all such samples?
Normal, right?
Yeah, I would say normal.
What's the simple, I guess I'm not really, I guess I need to read and watch more videos, but, so what is the 10 is the number of students that they sampled?
Yeah. So it's normal because they took 10 students, but anytime if you have a normal shaped curve, you take a sampling from that curve, it's going to be normal every time because it's a normal curve. So that's why it's a normal.
Okay. Right, because if it's not normal, if it were 30 or more students, then it would still be
normal
shaped,
It
right?
would still be normal.
Yeah.
If they took 5 students,
Yeah,
it
the
would
larger
still be normal.
it is, the more normal it gets.
Yeah, and even they could take however many students, it would be normal every time. But if it was a right skewed curve, then it may not be normal at that point.
Or
Does that
left.
make sense?
Yeah.
But,
Or left.
but that's that whole law of, or the theory of whatever, is that even if it's right skewed, if you have more than 30, then it's going to be normal, right? Or approximately normal.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you take enough, it's eventually going to become a normal bell shape.
Okay.
But if you have a small sampling, then it will reflect the shape of the curve.
So how do we know the distribution of the sample mean has this shape? Is that because the parent sample is a normal
It's just
distribution?
because it says the scores on the GMAT are normally distributed with a mean of 9. So, if 10 students taking a GMAT and the students are normal, then the sampling will also probably be normal. I think that's how I thought of it. Maybe that's not right, but
No, I was making that face because your talking was sounding really weird, like it was
I
getting.
know, I heard that as well.
Yeah, I was kind of cutting out.
So as long as the scores are normally distributed, then the sample means are always going to be normally.
yeah. So we know it's normal because it's been taken from a normally distributed population.
Okay.
But if that was the parent sample, that wouldn't be normal, right? Because that's not a big enough number.
What?
Well, right.
So if it didn't come,
Wait, what?
Oh, I think she froze.
it all
No.
skewed wrong.
Wait, you froze, Emily.
I froze.
Yeah.
Oh, you're coming back.
Am I back?
Yeah.
Ask that again.
Do it again.
Okay, so if we didn't have like the larger sample wasn't already normally distributed, and we just sample was those 10 people, would it be all skewed? Am I still cutting out?
Yeah.
Yeah, kinda.
But I think I got what you're saying, and I don't think I think I understand what you're saying. You're saying that 10, if the 10 students was the parent distribution, then that's not a big enough sample to really. Is that what you're saying?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, I think 10's probably not. As the parent sample, I
Like,
don't
what's
think 10.
considered large?
They say that in the, I think what I got from the reading was it's 30 or over is considered like a large enough sample for you to be able to start getting a more normal shape.
Yeah, it's 30.
But that was for
Okay.
the sample means. If the parent is
Right.
is not normal, then you have to have at least 30 of your sample means to have it be become a normal distribution. But I think what Emily's asking is if the parent sample couldn't just be 10.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would make sense.
Yeah, I'm not sure, it didn't really address that exactly, but it makes sense that you would, 10 isn't sufficient to be able to, yeah. So.
Okay, just checking.
Okay. Do you guys already write down the answer to B?
Yeah.
And then C, the sampling mean distribution of the sample mean scores for all such samples.
What is the mean of the sampling distribution of sample mean scores for all such?
529.
Yeah, because
I think that it would be 529.
Stays the same, right? The mean always stays the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Stays the same.
what is the sentence?
Yeah. So it's 529 because it's always going to be centered on the true mean, which comes from the parent sample, the total population, which is 529.
The standard deviation can change based on the size of the sample mean, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So is the answer to that question that you can't say, or because it's so small, would it stay?
I think it answers, because I did this before we met together. I went to the math lab today.
That it changes.
So the sample distribution of sample mean scores for all such samples, it's always going to be 529. Like, it's always going to be the mean. Is that what you're asking?
No, I was moving on to D.
Oh, to D.
Yeah, because the standard deviation can change.
Yes.
Yes, because the larger number gets, the smaller standard deviation gets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So-
So what is the standard
Yeah, I
deviation?
don't. This is one. So I mean, I learned it in the reading and in the end. So I was actually hoping that one of you could explain it.
Okay, let me look at the key.
Well, the equation for this one is standard deviation over like O over N. So over the sample size, what is this? Yeah, if N is equals 10 students taking the GMAT. And so you would do the standard deviation divided by 10 and square root it. Make sense?
Yeah, but on the
So
answer
wait, where
key,
did you pull?
Yeah.
but on the answer key it says that the standard deviation is 113.
Yeah, right. Yeah, see up above, standard
Mhm.
deviation is 113. So you divide that by 10 with square root it.
Oh, wait, you divide it by 10?
Yeah,
By the square root of 10?
yeah. Because N is like 10 students taking the GMAT.
Mm-hmm. So okay, so you divide 113
Divided by,
square root of 10.
So 35.7.
35.73. That's what I got.
So how could the standard deviation shrink so much with just if you took 10 random samples when the standard deviation was 113?
Where sample means first. I don't really know.
Do you guys have the key? Because I don't have Word on my.
Hold on, let me look it up again. I was looking at it earlier, but I closed it, so let me go back to it.
Because mine has some funky little symbols that aren't because it doesn't translate to pages sometimes, and maybe I'm missing something. But it just says it says 113 on the key, but maybe it's like showing part of an equation that I can't.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
Hold on, just a second.
So standard deviation right here, it's just showing you the equation how to do it. I think it cut off.
Okay.
Yeah, it did cut off. It was just like giving you the equation and then giving you the next equation of how to do it, like with numbers.
Okay.
Where it equals.
Okay. So in the key, the answer was 35.73.
Yep, that's what we got. Yeah. Well,
Okay.
here on the enter key, actually, it's 0.734.
Oh well, So that's right.
Okay, so yeah, we would
That
have.
would be right because it's 7337, so
Yep.
it would round up to 4.
Yep.
Okay. So we'll just make sure we remember to do 3 decimal places.
Yeah, and I'm sure the quiz mentions that too.
Yeah. Well, that wasn't very hard.
No. So, shall we do the quiz?
Yep.
Let's just continue read. It gets confusing. Like I've been reading about the same thing in different way.
Yeah.
So should we stop recording now? And just do Hangout?
Yeah, hold on, let me stop the broadcast.